Being a family liaison officer is probably the most challenging role that I've done in my 29 years service. Getting that call in the middle of the night to be deployed to an incident, it's something you can't really explain. You attend at the scene and then you're asked to go to break some really bad news to a family member. I leave the scene. I normally put an address into the sat-nav on my vehicle, and the butterflies I feel when I'm close to that address is something you really can't explain. And the closer I get to the address, the adrenaline and the butterflies, they just get worse. You get to the address and you know then that within the next couple of minutes, you are basically going to ruin somebody's life because of the news you're going to tell them about their loved one. I knock the door and it's normally an adult that will answer. And I know that I've got to tell them that their son, daughter, wife, mother, father has just been killed in a road collision. And that feeling is something that, that first reaction I get to the family is something that will remain with me forever. And I also get the feedback from families and they tell me that they will remember my face on that knock at the door as well.
As a lead investigation manager, my job is to establish how fatal and serious road collisions have occurred. Any footage that we can obtain during our investigations to help us establish how a collision has occurred is highly valuable for us. But more importantly, it helps the families of victims in establishing how their loved ones became involved in that collision and how they ultimately lost their lives.
Operation Snap is a digital solution to allow members of the public to submit their